Hey guys, this is Chetan for Gizmo Times and you're watching the quick charging test of the POCO X3 smartphone. The POCO X3 smartphone comes with a huge 6000 mAh battery and the company says that it comes with the MMT technology, which is the middle tab, which actually would divide the battery into two and then charge the two batteries simultaneously so that the charging is faster. And it does come with that large charger, that's 33 watt adapter. So that's the charging speed you're getting. Of course, this is not one of the fastest charging solutions, but still you're getting a good enough speed so that the large 6000 mAh battery gets charged from 0 to 100 in at least lesser than 100 minutes. That's what I've experienced. The company had claimed that it was about 80 to 90 minutes. I got a bit more, but let's see how much time does it actually take. So we started it from, of course, 0%, and whenever you charge it, it should come as the Mi Turbo Charge. Initially, when I was starting to charge it, there was some issue with the battery's estimation of how much time it would take to charge, but then it recovered later. So the first 10 minutes, it took it to about 17%. So in the initial 10 minutes itself, the phone charged to 17%, which is not bad at all. Now moving on, it actually went faster. To the next one, 20 minutes, it went to 36%, which is a difference of 19% there, and that was quite a good speed. And in half an hour, actually half of the battery was charged. So 52% battery of the POCO X3 was charged in just about 30 minutes. And after that, of course, the speeds went down a bit slower. And here, after 40 minutes, the phone went up to 66%. And after 15 minutes, it went down to 77%. So 11% charge from there. And then it went slower. And in 1 hour, that's 60 minutes, the entire phone was charged up to 86%. And which I would say 86% for 6000 mAh, of course, is going to give you more than a day's usage at ease. But for someone who has that thing in mind that, okay, my phone should be charging from 0 to total of 100%, of course, that's when it's going to take a longer time. So from here, it was trickle charging and it was a slow charge. And that is done by the company, by any company it would be there. In the end, you see the charging speeds to get slower so that the battery is not pushed a lot and there's no damage to the battery life itself. So here what happens is the battery health should be maintained, and that is why after 70 minutes the phone went up to 92%. So only a 6% gain from there, and the next 10 minutes, that's 80 minutes, it went up to 97%. And from there it was actually very slow. I mean, it was as if the phone wouldn't even charge fully, and we kept waiting. And after 1 hour, 35 minutes and 2 seconds, that's 95 minutes, it charged to 100%. So from 99 to 100 itself, it took 8 minutes. And so I would say, if you don't consider the fact that, okay, the last few percent of charge is going to take long, if you see the first 60 minutes itself, 86% in the 60 minutes is something that is very good for 6000 mAh battery with a 33 watt fast charger. So of course, I feel that yes, the MMT or the middle tab technology, what is being used by POCO here, is actually working well. But otherwise, later it's getting slower. So 95 minutes, again, it's a 6000 mAh battery. That's what I'm going to again tell you. It's not a small battery that is being charged. It's not a 4500 mAh battery or 5000 mAh battery or 5020, which was there on the POCO device earlier, or even on the Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. So it's a 6000 mAh battery. So that 1000 mAh gain is going to take more time to charge itself. So that is the reason why it took about 95 minutes to fully charge from 0 to 100. Otherwise, for the 60 minutes, 86 charge is not at all bad. And I would say again, there are some better solutions in the market right now. If you're someone who's a fast charging buff, if you feel like, yeah, this is not the deal, this is not what I need, you can check out smartphones like the Realme 7 Pro, even the Realme Narzo 20 Pro, which have almost the double charging speed of this, and it takes about 38 to 40 minutes to charge those phones. But there are two factors there. Fast charging is better there, but the battery capacity is not as good as this. So it's not 6000 mAh that you're seeing there, it's 4500, it's 5000. So that is one difference, but otherwise, anyway, say 33 watt against 65 watt, you know who the winner is going to be. But we are particularly talking about the POCO X3 here. It has not a bad fast charging solution here. So 86% for 60 minutes is what I'm going to conclude it with, because 100% of course is going to take some more time. And yes, that's it in this video. This was a quick charging test of the POCO X3 smartphone. We would be doing a full battery drain of this smartphone with only gaming in perspective. So you can check out our Hindi channel Gaming Josh if you want to check out how much time does it actually take to drain the battery from 100 to 0 when you're only playing games. So that's it in this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thanks for watching and see you next video.